It's almost, but we still not done. I'm just here for the company.
Dad. Help me. They forced me to watch Double Fedora. Clara?
Sorry, but Anne won their team.
What? Why?
Because I love Double Fedora.
You won't escape?
Wait, what? No.
Aka? Yummy!
Следующей серии.
It's time for you to dance.
No, PLN. I love my avatar.
Thanks, IT, my time.
What are you doing?
The demons get out of my frame.
What? Not again. Oh, I love Double Fedora.
I did it.
Means demons from Layla.